Hey guys, Ed Diaz here with Movement Mortgage. So I don't know if you've heard, but as of August 1st of 2017, we have some major news from Fannie Mae. Did you know that they actually increased the maximum allowed debt to income ratio from 45% to 50%? Now you may think 5% difference, that doesn't make a big deal, Ed. Well, believe it or not, it really does. And I can tell you from talking with a lot of people and number crunching for them, you know, that 45 to 50% leaves a lot of room, and a lot of people were getting blown out because they would come in at about 46 or 47%, and therefore they would get declined. And now with the new rule going all the way up to 50%, which means that Fannie Mae will allow 50 cents for every dollar that you make to go to total amount of debt, including the new mortgage payment, is a very huge thing. If you have any questions specifically related to your needs or any of your scenarios, please let me know, and I'm more than happy to go over it and to give you some detail custom tailored to you. Have a great day.